Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I am back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making lamb chop hot pot. Without further ado, let's get started. First, carefully prepare the ingredients. Cut the lamb ribs into evenly sized pieces, ensuring each piece is tender and flavorful. Cut the carrots into rolling wedges, slice the ginger, diagonally slice the green onions, chop the garlic, and slice the chili peppers. The colorful ingredients are visually enticing. Next, fill a pot with water and blanch the lamb ribs to remove any blood. Rinse them with cold water to ensure there's no gamey taste, resulting in a purer flavor. Then, heat oil in a pot and add the ginger slices and chili peppers to release their aroma. Add 2 teaspoons of fermented bean paste and stir-fry until the red oil emerges. Add the garlic, then the lamb ribs, and stir-fry until they are well coated. Pour in a small amount of white wine to enhance the aroma and remove any gaminess. Add enough water to cover halfway, cover with a lid, bring to a boil over high heat, then simmer on low heat for an hour. The aroma of the lamb will fill the air. Add the carrots and 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes to let the carrots absorb the rich flavor of the lamb. Finally, transfer the cooked lamb and broth to a hot pot. Add the green onions and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Prepare your favorite ingredients and enjoy the pleasure of hot pot. Friends, you must try our lamb chop hot pot. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.